Today I'm going to show you how to patch up small holes in drywall. Let's get to it. This video is good for homeowners and great for renters that need to get their deposit back. Repairing all the holes you made in the walls is one of the things you have to do to get that back. I will be releasing a small video series dedicated to getting your deposit back in the future. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. So here we have a wall that had a lot of shelves on it. It has a lot of holes. This is how not to patch it up. Mucho feo. Ugly, my friends. There's a couple of things wrong with this. First, they used the wrong product. This looks like they used drywall plaster or compound. When it dries, it shrinks. That's why you can still see where the holes were. You'll have to apply a second coat to cover the holes. The second thing wrong with this is the way they spread it, all willy-nilly. Even if the plaster didn't shrink, you will have to sand it to help it blend in with the rest of the texture on the wall. All of this is way too much work. Here's the one and done method. Use this lightweight spackle. It does not shrink. Use a small putty knife and put a small amount on the corner of it. You don't need to put a lot. Try to only put it in the hole. Simple, right? You can't even use your finger, but your finger could leave an indentation, so I don't really recommend it. Here is something else to do when doing this. Sometimes the screw will leave the edge of the hole protruding out. If you just spackle over it, it will stick out like a sore thumb. Here's the trick. Use a small, hard, round object to push against the hole and twist it. This will push the edge in. Now you can spackle it. You shouldn't have to do anything else. One and done. Well, besides painting it. Anyway, this is it for this video. Watch my other videos if you need to patch a bigger hole. If this was helpful to you, hit that like, bell, and subscribe button for me. Share my channel with someone you think it will be helpful to. And thank you if you do. Until next time, be blessed, my people.